video. Thank you so much for clicking on here. If you're new here, my name is Karina and I do fashion and styling videos, and today I'm doing a haul of some things I picked up at Walmart in store the other day as I was grocery shopping, and then peeked in the clothes and I found a couple of really cute items, this dress being one of them, and I actually got it in 2 prints. So if you're interested to see what I've got, then just keep on watching. Start off with this smocked midi dress that has these like little tiered ruffles down the dress. It comes past my knee and I have it in an extra small. And just a reminder, I am 4'11 and a half. Normally with no boundaries, I go up a size, and so I actually got this in small and extra small to see which one I like the best. Love that it's smocked and that it has the little ruffles, and I love the midi length of it. So yeah, really like this. So now I'm going to show you how I would wear it.
Okay, had to switch to voiceover, but wanted to talk about how, you see how this ruffle flips and it's wide on the other end? I'm not loving that because it does make the dress look cheap. Obviously it is, but that's just kind of a dead giveaway. Also, I realized that if you pull up the dress and tuck in the material, it still hugs your body and it's not bulky. And now you've made it shorter, so it's like perfect for us petite gals. And then I paired it here with these purple shoes as a pop of color and a black clutch. And I am digging the look, but I'm just not digging those ruffles right now. Okay, here I just switched the pop of color to my bag and then did a neutral black shoe. But you could also do a nude shoe, and I left it longer in this look. Then I added a jean jacket here and did some nude shoes, and then added a little hat, which I just got from Target recently. And it gives it more like a casual, but yet dressy because you're still wearing heels. But you could do like booties in the fall-ish time. That way it gives you a little bit of warmth on your feet. Okay, here's the same dress in a different color and pattern. It's a floral pattern on like this cream color. So I did the same thing. I'm ruching it up top to make it a little bit shorter. I really like this dress because you can't see that when the ruffle flips, it's a different color because it's all that light color. So it's not as obvious as that black and white one. But I really like this dress. I think it'd be perfect for a little date night or even like a wedding event. Maybe not wedding because it's a lot of white, but like a dressier event, an outdoor event. It's just super cute and fun and flirty with the ruffles. Okay, so here I just popped on a jean jacket and then thought about a pink hat, but switched it to my new hat that I just recently got. It's like a palm leaf hat. Love this, with some nude heels. This dress is from Free Assembly. It is in this green color. It does come in other colors. It's a beautiful like linen blend dress that's nice and flowy and airy. Paired it with the same palm leaf hat, and I did these cognac color heel sandals. And I forgot to grab a bag, but just picture a little straw bag with it. So here I remembered to grab a bag, and then I did my flat sandals from Scoop, also from Walmart. Love these sandals. Love this look, super casual, perfect summer outfit, and you look put together, but it's just a dress, like one single piece with your accessories. So this dress is definitely going to be on repeat for the entire summer for me. Next up is this baby doll style top from Free Assembly. It's got the smocking in the back and that little thread there, I apologize. And it's very nice and stretchy. It's not restricting at all. I love the length of it. It's not too long. For a flowy top, you got to be careful that it's not too flowy and too long. So this is perfect. I paired it with these shorts, also from Walmart, no boundaries. I think they're like 12 bucks. Love these shorts. And then the Scoop brand sandals, and it's a cute little like summer outfit. Perfect for this hot Texas weather we're gonna get. So I've recently loved pairing these more flowy tops with a flowier bottom. So maybe like a bell bottom or wide leg pant. These flare bell bottom jeans I got last year, also from Walmart, from the Scoop brand. These specific ones are no longer sold, but a very similar option is still available. And I paired it with this little bucket bag, and I've got some platform shoes that you can't really see because the pants are so long, but I am loving this whole kind of retro vibe with this outfit. This item is not so exciting. It's a PJ set from the Secret Treasure line, I think is the name. I just love how easy, breezy, and airy it is, and it's also cute. It's this cute little like ruffle shorts with this really nice breathable top. I love it because we have a vacation planned next month for my birthday, and it's gonna be hot. So I definitely want something nice and airy to sleep in where I don't feel restricted in any way.
That is all. Those were all the items I found at Walmart recently. These were all purchases in store. If you did like this, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, because I do try to post daily outfit inspo as well as I get on stories. You kind of get first dibs on things I recently found on Instagram. Otherwise, I'll do a video like a week later and things may be out of stock. If you have any requests, like styling requests, please leave them down below. I'd love to do them. And that's all. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.